Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making something truly special, a dish that's loved all around the world for its rich, creamy, and incredibly flavorful sauce. Classic butter chicken. This recipe is surprisingly easy to make at home, and trust me, once you try it, you'll want to make it again and again. It's the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a cozy night in or for impressing your dinner guests. So, if you're ready to create some magic, let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about our star player, the chicken. The secret to tender, flavorful butter chicken starts with a really good marinade. We're using 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I've cut into bite-sized pieces. Thighs are great because they stay super juicy. To marinate, grab a large bowl. We're going to add about 2/3 of a cup of plain yogurt. This is key for tenderizing the chicken. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for a bit of brightness. Now, for the spices that give butter chicken its signature flavor, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Don't worry, this just adds warmth, not a lot of heat. Now, add your chicken pieces to the bowl. Give everything a really good mix until every single piece of chicken is beautifully coated in that delicious marinade. Once it's all mixed, cover the bowl and pop it into the fridge. You want to let it marinate for at least 1 hour, but if you have the time, letting it sit overnight is the absolute best way to get the most flavor. Alright, our chicken has been marinating and it smells amazing. It's time to cook it. Grab a large pan or skillet and place it over medium-high heat. Add a little bit of butter or oil. Once it's nice and hot, take the chicken out of the marinade and place it in the pan. We want to cook the chicken until it is browned on all sides and cooked all the way through. You'll get these beautiful caramelized bits, which add so much flavor. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked, take it out of the pan and set it aside for a moment. Don't clean the pan. All those browned bits on the bottom are pure gold. Now, for that incredible velvety sauce, using the same pan, we're going to build our curry base. Pour in 1 cup of tomato puree. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see it start to thicken up and the color will deepen. This step is really important for developing a rich tomato flavor. If you want to add another layer of flavor, you can salt some finely chopped onions, garlic, and ginger in a little butter before adding the tomato puree. Once your tomato base has thickened, it's time to make it creamy. Turn the heat down to low. Is very important to prevent the cream from splitting. Slowly stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Look at how the color changes into that beautiful signature orange. It's just gorgeous. Next, pour in half a cup of chicken stock to thin it out just a little and add more savory depth. Finally, season with salt to your personal taste. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything. We're on the home stretch. It's time to reunite our chicken with its delicious sauce. Add the cooked chicken pieces back into the pan. Stir everything together gently, making sure all the chicken is submerged in that creamy goodness. Let it all simmer together on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is where the magic really happens. The chicken soaks up all the flavor from the sauce, and the sauce gets infused with the flavor from the spiced chicken. The whole kitchen is going to smell absolutely divine. And there you have it. Our homemade butter chicken is ready. Look at that rich, creamy texture. It's absolutely perfect. To serve, I love to garnish it with some fresh cilantro for a pop of color and freshness. The best way to enjoy it is hot, served over a bed of fluffy basmati rice or with some warm, buttery naan bread for dipping. You have to get every last drop of that sauce. Thank you so much for joining me today to make this incredible butter chicken. I hope you give this recipe a try and love it as much as I do. It's proof that you can make restaurant-quality dishes right in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.